When it comes to dropshipping, the baby niche is one of the strongest markets that you can enter. And the reason is very simple. Parents will always want the best products for their babies. And when it comes down to safety, comfort, and convenience, price usually becomes less of a concern if the product truly solves a problem or improves their baby's well-being. And that's exactly why baby products often have a very strong demand, high perceived value, and excellent profit margin. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 6 best-selling baby products that are already performing well in other Shopify dropshipping stores. And we're going to cover stores that sell them, the supplier price, the profit margins, and how much these products are actually selling every month. So if you're thinking about starting a baby niche dropshipping store, or you're just looking for some new winning products, to add to your store, this video will give you some great ideas. So let's jump right into it, okay? So let's start the video with a very strong product. This one right here, look at this. And actually, it's a brilliant product. It's this baby bed bag. This is a 2-in-1 baby bed and diaper bag for sale, okay? And look at this product, really. I think the term wow with high value is written all over this. This is so amazing, okay? It has everything we want to see in a winning dropshipping product. It has a high perceived value, okay? It has a strong wow factor, and it's extremely easy to create engaging social media content around it without any complicated super production, you know what I'm saying? Now, I was able to find a Shopify dropshipping store that is already selling this product right here. It's babybedpaw.com. Look at this right here, okay? And the store is selling this product for $89.99 Australian dollars, which is around 63 US dollars, okay? But now, it comes the most important question. Does this product actually have strong sales behind it, all right? Or is it just a hype? Well, to check that, all I have to do is here, I'll just copy the store's URL like this, copy, and then I'll paste it into Zig's store sales tracker like this, and then I'm going to click search. Look at that. And here we go. Look at this. Now I can see data about the Shopify store that Shopify itself does not publicly share. So this is amazing. And from what I can see here, this is clearly a winning product. Look here, look at that, with 174 sales in the past 30 days. Now, let's just talk about sourcing the product, okay? To find the supplier is quite simple, actually. All I have to do is to click on this little icon here, the item finder, and then let it load. It's loading, and look at that. Several exact matches, my friends, okay? So let's just go with this one right here, like this. Let me open for you. Boom, like that. Look at this, okay? So this is the exact same product, and the price is $15.88 plus $16.63 for shipping. Okay, so the total cost is $32.51. Now, let's just calculate the profit together, okay? So the store sells the product for $63, okay? Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, which is $2.12. The AliExpress total cost is $32.51. So the profit per sale is around $28.37 with 174 sales in the past 30 days. We're talking about $4,936 in profit before, operation expenses, advertising, and so on. But anyway, overall, this is a great product with a strong fit for drop shippers in the baby niche. Don't you agree? Let me know what you think about this product in the comment below, and I'll get to you. Don't go anywhere. Let's go to the next product, which is a classic item that sees strong demand every single year. It's the summer baby clogs. Okay, look at this video right here. So basically, this is a very practical and lightweight product that helps toddlers and babies feel more comfortable during the summer. So for parents, products like this one, they're almost like a must-have during warm weather, which makes it a great seasonal product to sell. Okay, so I was able to find this product in this Shopify dropshipping store right here. This right here, saki.com.au. And look at that. This store is selling the product for $39.99, all right, Australian dollars, which is around $28 US dollars. The store also offers, the product in multiple colors, different sizes, which is always a very good strategy because it increases conversion rates. So after scanning the store using Zig Store Sales Tracker, I was able to see that this product sold 99 times, okay? Look, this is something to keep in mind. I'm recording this video. The peak of summer is still a few months away, okay? Which means that demand for this type of product will likely increase as we get closer to the summer season. So this is a good moment to add this product to your store, okay? Now, let's talk about sourcing. I did the same thing. I clicked on item finder and then I found this supplier right here in AliExpress. Look at that. I actually think that this might be the exact, supplier that this dropshipping store is using because the variations actually match perfectly. Like if you look at the product rating right here, you can see like excellent reviews, okay, and a strong customer satisfaction from a large number of buyers, okay. Also, on top of that, the sourcing price is quite low. Look at that, my friend. Look at that. The product costs $376 plus $199 for shipping because it's an AliExpress choice product, okay. So let's just make the calculation. The store sells for $28, okay? Your sourcing cost is $575, so that's a profit of $21, okay, per sale, okay, before ads and operation expenses. With 99 sales in the past 30 days, we're talking about $2,079 in monthly profit before our expenses. So this is an excellent product with a very high profit margin and strong seasonal demand. My friend, now look at this. We have covered the first 2 products and we still have many more winning products from the baby niche just coming up in this video, which I'm really excited to share with you, okay? And if you're enjoying this video so far, you can like the video, subscribe to our channel, means a lot to everyone here. And also, if you use the same tools that I'm using in this video that I showed right in the beginning how to do it and validate winning products, you can subscribe to Zig Analytics today. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. So the next product is not only very important for parents, but it also has the potential to become a bestseller in a baby niche store if marketed properly. Is the baby LED water temperature monitor. Look at that. I mean, it just looks really cool. I have to say, it looks cool. I want it. I want to have this. This product is one of the smartest products when it comes to baby care because basically it allows parents to instantly check the water temperature while preparing bath, helping them just to ensure that the water is safe and comfortable for the baby. And because of that, the demand for this type of product is strong, and appeals to a wide audience of parents with babies and toddlers and so on. And here's a dropshipping store that is currently selling this product right here, okay? The product is being sold for $44.99, which is, it's a very reasonable price for a baby safety product like this one. And it's hard to guess the real price, of this product. And you can find this product in retail stores, So look, I did the same thing, I used Zig Analytics, and then I found that this product sold 79 times in the past 30 days. And then I found the exact same match for this product using Zig Analytics Item Finder. Look at this, and open for you an AliExpress for only $17.52 with free shipping. Okay, so again, the profit per sale is around $25.80 with all those sales in the past months. We're talking about $2,038 total profit from this one product. All right. Anyway, the next product is a very simple one. Okay, but it has a strong year-round demand and a high profit margin. It's the baby blanket, okay? It's like an evergreen product. Let me press play here in the video for you. All right, look at that. Look at this video. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. This is just a great product to add to any baby niche store, and it can work very well as a complementary product for many other baby items. And the reason is quite simple. We don't have to think too much about it. Every parent needs baby blankets. Boom. Dot. That's it, period. It's a type of product that people often add to their cart without even thinking about it too much, And because of that, it works very well as an add-on product that can increase your store's average order, okay? So I found this Shopify Dropshipping store selling this product right here, mamashita.com, which, it's a great name for a store, very creative, Anyway, so in this store, the baby blanket is being sold for, look at this, $34.99. And then after analyzing this store using the Zik store sales tracker, I saw that this item was sold 48 times, okay? Now, it might not seem like a lot, okay? But it's a solid performance, okay? And then also using Zik, I found this supplier in AliExpress. Look at that. This product priced at only $8.26 plus $1.99, okay? Because it's an AliExpress choice. So the total cost of this is $10.25. The store is selling this for $34.99. The profit per sale is $24. With 48 sales, we're talking about basically $500 in profit. This is a great complementary product that fits perfectly in a baby niche stores and can easily increase the total value of each order, okay? Don't go anywhere, because the next product, if you ask me, really belongs to the 21st century. It's this electric rocking baby crib right here. I want to be inside, They should make these for adults. I would buy one and I would sleep like a baby. But anyway, this product's cool. Look at this. It just automates the whole rocking motion that helps babies fall asleep, giving parents more peace of mind and making bedtime much easier. Some parents like this, some parents don't, but you can find your market, right? For parents, I have to say, products that help babies sleep better and more comfortably are extremely valuable, right? Which is why products like this one can perform very well in the baby niche. So I was able to find a dropshipping store selling this product here. It's called dayonlinestore.com. Look at this. It's selling for 155 euros and 95 cents, which is $176.69. So, $177, let's say. So, and then I did the same thing, I used Zik store sales tracker. I was able to find that this product sold 70 times, my friends. And then boom, boom, boom. I did the same thing with Zik. Help me find the supplier with this one right here. Look at this. The exact same product on AliExpress. And without Zik, I wouldn't be able to find it so quickly. And anyway, the price is $137.21 with free shipping, okay? All right, so if you think about it, the store makes around $34 profit, all right, per sale. With 70 sales, we're talking about $2,380 in monthly profit from this product alone. So this is a high-ticket baby product that can generate strong profits even with a relatively small number of sales, okay? And the next product, my friend, is by far one of the best gift ideas you can imagine. And that's exactly what makes the demand for it so strong. Right here, the Baby's Mark Clay Kit. I could watch this video all day long. It's adorable. Okay, this is a perfect gift for baby showers or baby birthdays and so on, because the kit actually comes with this little clay, that allows parents to press the baby's hands and then foot into it, creating a lasting imprint. So that's it. Once the clay hardens, it becomes a memorable keepsake that parents can keep forever. It's a simple product, okay? But it has a huge emotional value, you understand? And a strong wow factor, which are exactly like the kinds of qualities that we want to see in good dropshipping products. And I was able to find a store selling this Baby's Mark Clay Kit right here called babysmark.com, which is a great name, by the way, and it's selling for $39.11, and they offer different versions for baby boys and baby girls and so on. I did the same thing. I copied the URL. I went to Zik, Zik store sales tracker, and I found that this product right here that we're seeing on this website sold 106 times in the past 30 days. All right. And then same, I clicked in the item finder and I found this right here, the exact match. All right. Look at this at AliExpress, selling for, guess what? $14.99 with free shipping. So that means that the profit margin per sale is around $22.50, and with 106 sales, my friends, we're talking about $2,385 in monthly profit. Okay, yes, before ads and operational expenses, but wow, okay, this is just a strong product with a strong emotional appeal. Okay, and if it's marketed correctly as the ultimate baby gift, it has strong potential to perform very well on social media and become viral quite easily. Okay, all right, my friends, so those were the 6 best selling baby products that are already performing well in Shopify dropshipping stores. Okay, and as you can see, the baby niche offers something very powerful for dropshippers. Okay, it offers strong demand, high perceived value, and products that are, the parents are just willing to pay for it if they help their babies sleep better, stay safer, or feel more comfortable, or so on. If you choose the right products and just validate them using data, using Zik Analytics, this niche can become an extremely profitable. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because we share new winning products and dropshipping strategies every single week. I know it's crazy, but we do it. Okay, all right, and if you want to use the same tools that I show you right here in the beginning of the videos, how to find all these winning products and validate them, you can start using Zik Analytics today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.